Looking for the best metal detector for adults in 2026? In this video, we review the top performing models for beginners and professionals alike. Whether you're hunting for gold, coins, or hidden treasures, these detectors offer advanced features, accuracy, and durability. We break down performance, depth detection, and value to help you choose the perfect device. Stay tuned to discover which metal detector suits your adventure best. Number 3. The Olhund Upgraded Metal Detector for Adults Professional is a feature-rich option for hobbyists seeking accuracy, depth, and ease of use. Designed with an advanced DSP chip, this detector enhances sensitivity while reducing false signals, helping users confidently identify valuable targets. With a detection depth of up to 12 inches, it performs well for locating coins, jewelry, and small relics that entry-level detectors might miss. A major highlight is the 10-inch IP68 waterproof search coil, which allows for reliable performance in wet sand, shallow water, and muddy terrain. This makes it a versatile choice for beach outings, riverbanks, and backyard exploration. However, it's important to note that the control box itself is not waterproof. The detector offers 4 search modes and can identify 9 different metal types, giving users the flexibility to filter out unwanted materials like iron. Its backlit LCD display provides clear information about target depth, detection mode, and battery life, even in bright sunlight or low-light conditions. Comfort is another strong point. Despite its capabilities, the unit is lightweight and ergonomically designed, with an adjustable length up to 60 inches to suit different users. The anti-slip grip and armrest make longer sessions more comfortable. User reviews highlight its accuracy and ease of use. One user found it reliable in both dirt and sand, while another appreciated its family-friendly design and lightweight build. Overall, it's a solid, affordable metal detector for beginners and casual treasure hunters. Number 2. The Gadget ACE 400 Metal Detector is a reliable and user-friendly option for anyone looking to get into metal detecting or upgrade to a more capable machine. Made in the USA, this detector combines ease of use with advanced features that help users locate targets accurately and efficiently. One of its standout features is the digital target ID, which uses a 0 to 99 numeric scale to identify the conductivity of detected objects. This allows users to better distinguish between valuable items like coins and unwanted junk. The iron audio feature is especially useful, as it lets you hear iron targets before digging, helping avoid common trash items such as bottle caps and nails. The detector also includes electronic pinpointing, a non-motion all-metal mode that helps you precisely locate targets once detected, making recovery faster and easier. Additionally, the adjustable frequency feature helps reduce interference from nearby electronics or other detectors, ensuring smoother operation in crowded areas. Durability is enhanced with the included search coil cover, which protects the coil from scratches and debris, extending its lifespan. Despite its solid build, the ACE 400 remains manageable for extended use in the field. User feedback is very positive. One beginner described it as a perfect entry-level detector, while another praised its accuracy and ability to find items immediately after setup. Overall, the Gadget ACE 400 offers a great balance of performance, simplicity, and value for treasure hunting enthusiasts. Number 1. The Minelab X-Terra Elite Expedition Metal Detector is a powerful, all-terrain device built for both beginners and experienced treasure hunters. Designed with multi-IQ, multi-frequency technology, it operates across multiple frequencies simultaneously, allowing for highly accurate detection in various environments from dry fields to wet beaches and even underwater. One of its standout features is extreme precision targeting, supported by 119 target ID segments that help distinguish between valuable items and unwanted trash. This makes it easier to identify coins, jewelry, and relics without unnecessary digging. The detector also offers advanced iron control, improving accuracy in challenging, debris-filled areas. The X-Terra Elite Expedition includes both V8X and V12X coils, giving users flexibility depending on search conditions. Its fully waterproof design allows submersion up to 16 feet, 5 meters, making it ideal for beach and shallow water exploration. The package also comes with ML85 low-latency wireless headphones, providing clear, real-time audio feedback, along with built-in speakers for convenience. Another valuable addition is the ProFind 40 pinpointer, featuring detector interference-free (DF) technology to precisely locate targets without interference. User reviews highlight its ease of use and versatility. One beginner praised the intuitive controls and complete package, while another user appreciated its ability to work on wet sand and underwater, something other detectors couldn't handle. Overall, the Xterra Elite Expedition is a reliable, feature-rich metal detector for serious treasure hunting adventures. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest gear reviews. Check the description for links to all featured metal detectors. Happy treasure hunting, and we'll see you in the next video.